All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about FTX, Tom Brady, what he's getting into. We're talking about FTX stack cryptocurrency. I'm going to go to the website. It's up right now. You're going to like that. Check out the website. Check out their commercial. All kinds of good stuff that's going on with FTX. Also, we're going to talk about Walmart getting into the Metaverse, how they want to get into the Metaverse. They don't want to be left behind. So, we were talking about whales before. Follow the whales. What are the whales doing? Well, you would have to think Walmart's kind of a whale, and they want to get in the Metaverse. So, FTX and Walmart. It's going to be an awesome episode today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. So Tom Brady on Saturday and Sunday, he was all over the tube about what he's getting into. The NFL, Tom Brady, FTX are going to let everybody know about cryptocurrency. Let's head over to FTX. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, FTX is number 30 cryptocurrency. It's up 16% in the last 7 days. Holy cow. 16% is down about 4% last 24 hours. Clicking it. All right, in the last 24 hours, it is down 4%. Traded at $44.10. So let's look at the last 7 days here. Last 7 days, this token is up. It was at $38, $39. It's up to $44. So it's been going up. There you go. FTX, we know you're getting into something. Clicking the holders. Clicking 3 months. Let's see how many holders. 3 months ago, there was about 19,000 holders of FTX. Right now, there's 24,000 holders. That's 5,000 onto the 19. About a 25% increase. So 25% more people holding the FTX in just the last 90 days. That's awesome, everybody. Over here at the Twitter account, FTX built by traders for traders. FTX built by traders for traders. You in? So let's take a look at this here real quick. So from the beginning, here's the commercial, one of the commercials.
Can I talk to you about something?
We talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Oh, how dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
Sue, Mark.
Are you in?
I'm in.
All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just getting on the dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we
would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
We'll provide Inc. gives 360-degree access to the crypto markets with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
So there you go. That's one of the commercials. Will this be the commercial we see in the Super Bowl? I don't know. There's a couple of their commercials that they've been running. There's the one about Tom Brady doing a trade, and everybody thinks he's coming to Denver, and he's coming here, and he's going to LA, and all this other stuff. So FTX, get ready for the Super Bowl. Upcoming listing on FTX rose right here. So ROSE is now on FTX upcoming listing. It's on the 17th of this month. It's actually today. There you go. It's launching. Isn't that fantastic? Going over to the website, built for traders, for traders. Trade the most popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and more. Buy and sell anywhere. FTX works on your phone and on your computer. Low fees. Our fees are up to 85% less than our competitors. Create an account. There's over 1 million users. It's easy way to start trading your crypto. So FTX, do you have some of this coin? Are you getting into this coin? Are you using their platform? I don't know. A lot of good stuff going on. Well, Walmart is actually getting into the Metaverse, it says. Wait, don't forget to click the like button. Hit the subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, Walmart is actually getting into the Metaverse, or they're trying to get into the Metaverse. They want it to be left behind. What's going on with Walmart? All right, Walmart is getting serious about the Metaverse. The company recently trademarks filling indicated plans for NFTs and cryptocurrency. Walmart and crypto? Walmart appears to be getting ready for a leap into the Metaverse. Recent trade applications indicated the company is looking to establish its own NFTs and cryptocurrency, according to the report. The retail giant for several trademarks on December 30th. Suggests plans on selling virtual goods. All right, so right here they mention offering customers digital currency as well as opportunity to buy and sell NFTs. All right, so Walmart and NFTs and Walmart and the Metaverse. It says Walmart is continually exploring by how emerging technologies may shape the future shopper experience. Walmart spokesperson said, "We don't have anything in the future to share today, but it's worth nothing. We routinely file trademarks applications as part of the innovative process." Also here in late August, Walmart posted a job listing for a cryptocurrency product specialist, one of the first signs that Walmart is growing interest in the Metaverse. Yeah, also Nike is actually trying to get in on the NFTs too, so all kinds of good stuff here. Walmart is getting serious about the Metaverse. So is that something big? That we got a whale, Walmart's a whale, getting into the Metaverse, getting into cryptocurrency. Pretty good stuff here. So, all right, let's head over and do a little price prediction on FTX and check out a little bit more of their Twitter account and their website. All right, again, it's an easy way to start trading crypto. Sign up and trade in less than 3 minutes. Trade new and popular cryptocurrencies and track your portfolio. An easy-to-use app. You know, they got NFTs, discover, buy, sell, and even create NFTs in just a few clicks. Learn more. Clicking it, and it takes you right here. Built by creators for creators. Explore, collect, and mint NFTs. So they're talking about how much these are. NFTs, you got Doodles, Capsule House, Creative World, 10 NFTs, Little Lemon Friends, Solana Sam's, Rubber Ducky, all kinds of good. Space Dreams. Best thing right here is buy and sell crypto instantly. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and more, and get free coin every trade over $10. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Taking a look at this coin, $44. Went to $46, $43. Last 3 months, this coin was at $63. This coin was at $64. $60. All right, our price prediction, it's at $44 right now. And it's up 16%, which is really, really good. I think this coin could get to $50, another $6 increase by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only. It's as high as 64, 65 before, so we think it's going to go up a little bit. So FTX, number 30, right there. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash, 374. Phantom's up 30% in the last 7 days. Litecoin is up 15% in the last 7 days. All right, I wanted to show you this one. This is the other cryptocurrency commercial we see all the time on the football Sundays and Mondays. Even tonight on Monday night, the playoffs.
Hang on, there's a possibility of a trade.
Tom Brady wants a trade. Could he be coming home?
What did I say? Oh my God, Brady!
Yeah, trade. We're telling everyone.
I heard she wants to be in LA.
Caller 2, go. I'm hearing Denver.
I give you the new City Hall. Take that, Tampa.
A trade? Are you sure?
Not a trade. I'm trading crypto. FTX is the safest and easiest way to buy and sell crypto. It's the best way to get in the game.
Just trading crypto.
Oh.
Hey, y'all.
It's not coming. Not coming.
All right, so I wanted to play that for you. So there's 2 commercials I played for you. The trade, and he's getting into something. What he's getting into is cryptocurrency with FTX. And then the trade, everybody, you know, Tom Brady got traded last year to Tampa Bay Buccaneers, won the Super Bowl. So they talk about he's doing a trade, and everybody thinks he's going to Denver and here and there in Los Angeles, but really he's doing a trade of cryptocurrency. Well, the Super Bowl's coming, FTX. Again, if you're an investor, everybody in the country is going to hear about FTX and Crypto.com with their Super Bowl commercials. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, fantastic day today. There's playoffs going on tonight. You're going to see the FTX on. Just watch the Monday night Arizona Rams game. You'll see it throughout the commercials and stuff. All right, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.